8 Best Vegetables to Clean Arteries and Prevent Heart Attacks. Welcome to our simple guide on the best 8 vegetables for keeping arteries clean and preventing heart attacks. It's important to take care of your heart, and we want to show you how certain vegetables can help maintain clean arteries. Plant-based foods, especially vegetables, are good for your heart. They are tasty and full of nutrients that keep our arteries clear and help prevent heart attacks. Our arteries are important for carrying oxygen and nutrients to our body, but they can get blocked by plaque, a mix of cholesterol and fats. This can lead to heart problems. Luckily, we have a variety of vegetables provided by nature that support our heart health. These vegetables have powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties, and other nutrients that keep arteries functioning well. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 8 vegetables that are like natural cleaners for your arteries. We'll talk about the science that shows how they can protect against heart attacks and boost heart health. Get ready to learn about these amazing vegetables that help keep your arteries healthy. If you're set to take care of your heart and keep those arteries clean, watch our video for a heart-healthy journey. 1. Pumpkin. Pumpkin is high in dietary fiber. High-fiber diets are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Fiber helps to improve cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol in the digestive system, causing it to be excreted from the body. It also helps to keep the digestive system healthy and can contribute to weight management by helping to keep you feeling full for longer periods. Pumpkin is a good source of potassium, a mineral that is essential for heart health. Potassium helps to counteract the effects of sodium in the body and can help to reduce blood pressure. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Pumpkin contains a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C, vitamin E, and beta-carotene, which is a precursor of vitamin A antioxidants, help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body, both of which are linked to atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaques in the arteries which can lead to heart attacks. Pumpkin is low in calories yet high in volume, making it a great food to help manage weight. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial for cardiovascular health. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays many critical roles in heart function and blood pressure regulation. Pumpkin seed oil contains phytosterols, plant-based compounds that structurally resemble cholesterol. They can help lower LDL cholesterol by blocking its absorption in the intestines. Pumpkin seeds contain healthy fats like alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease. Incorporating pumpkin into a diet that is rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while also low in sodium, added sugars, and saturated and trans fats, could help to maintain a healthy heart and reduce the risk of heart disease. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are very good for your heart. They're full of vitamins, minerals, and things that fight off damage to the body. These vegetables are great at keeping arteries healthy and can help prevent heart attacks. One big benefit they have is that they can make your blood pressure lower. High blood pressure can lead to heart problems, hurting the arteries and causing plaque to build up. Eating a lot of leafy greens can help lower blood pressure and keep your heart healthy. Leafy greens are also full of antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which help keep arteries from getting inflamed. Inflammation in the arteries can cause plaque to build up, leading to heart issues. Eating these greens often can help reduce this inflammation and keep your heart and arteries in good shape. Besides vitamins and antioxidants, leafy greens have a lot of fiber, which is great for managing your cholesterol. Lowering the bad LDL cholesterol reduces the risk of heart disease because it stops plaque from building up in your arteries. The fiber in greens helps get rid of cholesterol and other stuff your body doesn't need. In short, adding leafy greens to your diet can lower the chance of getting blockages in your arteries and having heart attacks. 3. Beets. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps to relax and widen blood vessels, which in turn can improve blood flow and lower blood pressure. Lower blood pressure reduces the stress on the heart and arteries, possibly reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, the buildup of fats, cholesterol, and other substances in and on the artery walls, and thereby preventing heart attacks. Beets contain powerful antioxidants like betalains, which give them their deep red color. Antioxidants fight against oxidative stress and the damage it can cause to cells, including those of the cardiovascular system. Oxidative stress is known to be a contributing factor in the development of heart disease. Beets also provide potassium, which is critical for the normal functioning of nerve and muscle cells, including those in the heart. Potassium helps with cardiovascular health by balancing the effects of sodium, helping to maintain a healthy blood pressure. This mineral, found in beets, is essential for heart health. It helps to regulate heartbeat and is involved in the transport of other electrolytes that play a role in heart contractions. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is a tasty and super healthy vegetable. It's great for your heart because it's full of important nutrients. One special thing in broccoli is sulforaphane, which helps to fight off harmful molecules in your body that could hurt your heart. It can also help to calm down long-term swelling in your body, which is bad for your heart. Eating broccoli also gives you a lot of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. These help protect your heart even more by fighting off harmful molecules, helping your blood to clot properly, and keeping your blood pressure in check. You can help your heart by adding broccoli to your meals in different ways, like eating it raw in salads, steamed on the side, or blended in soups. Making broccoli a regular part of what you eat is a good move for a healthy heart. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss more videos like this. 5. Avocado. This tasty fruit makes our taste buds happy and gives our hearts a health boost. If you want to improve your heart health and keep your arteries in great shape, avocados can help. Avocados are full of monounsaturated fats, which are really good for your heart. They help to reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels. Too much bad cholesterol can cause plaque to form in your arteries, making them narrow and stiff. This can lead to heart attacks and strokes. The fats in avocados also increase the good HDL cholesterol, which collects the bad cholesterol from your arteries and takes it to the liver to be gotten rid of. It's like having two heroes that keep your arteries clean. But that's not all avocados offer. They're packed with potassium, which helps keep your blood pressure normal. This is important to keep your arteries healthy and avoid high blood pressure, a heart disease risk factor. Avocados are also rich in fiber, which helps get rid of extra cholesterol. You can enjoy avocados on toast, in a smoothie, or by themselves with a spoon. Including them in your meals is a tasty and smart way to support your heart. Let this fruit help you in your journey for a strong and healthy heart as you enjoy its creamy taste. 6. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are good for more than just their looks and flavor. They're great for our hearts too. They contain lycopene, an antioxidant that protects our arteries. Lycopene helps stop bad cholesterol from turning into plaque, which can clog arteries and cause heart issues. It acts as a protector, stopping this bad cholesterol from damaging our arteries, therefore lowering the risk of heart problems. Tomatoes also have a lot of potassium, which controls blood pressure, and fiber, which helps get rid of cholesterol. All these things are good for our hearts. Lycopene is best absorbed from cooked or processed tomatoes, so no matter how you eat them, you still get the heart benefits. 7. Bell peppers. Bell peppers are not only pretty to look at, but they are also good for your heart. They have a lot of vitamin C, which helps to keep our bodies healthy in many ways. This vitamin strengthens our immune system and takes care of our blood vessels, the important paths that carry oxygen and nutrients all around our body. A healthy blood vessel system is key for a healthy heart. Vitamin C helps by protecting our blood vessels against damage by clearing out harmful substances that can cause this damage. Vitamin C in bell peppers helps stop bad substances from damaging our blood vessels and lowers the risk of heart disease. Eating bell peppers gives us this vitamin that loves our heart, keeping our blood vessels healthy and making our hearts stronger. Bell peppers also have lots of fiber, which is good for our heart and digestion. Fiber helps manage our cholesterol by cleaning out extra cholesterol from our blood and keeping our blood vessels open, which is great for our heart. All colors of bell peppers have their own special nutrients and health perks. Let's add a variety of colorful bell peppers to our meals to help our hearts. Bell peppers can be sliced for salads, cooked for a tasty mix, or filled with your chosen ingredients. There are many ways to enjoy them, and they're all good for your heart. 8. Garlic. Garlic is a commonly used flavoring agent in foods and has also been used for medicinal purposes for thousands of years. Contemporary research has begun to shed light on garlic's potential health benefits, especially concerning heart health. Compounds found in garlic have been investigated for their possible effects on atherosclerosis, plaque buildup in arteries, which is a key risk factor for heart attacks and strokes. The ways in which garlic might contribute to heart health and help maintain clean arteries include 1. Anti-atherosclerotic properties. Garlic has been found to slow the progression of atherosclerosis. The buildup of plaque in the arteries is a complex process involving cholesterol, calcium, and other substances. Some studies suggest that garlic inhibits the enzymes responsible for lipid synthesis, which could reduce the deposition of cholesterol in the arterial walls. 2. Cholesterol and lipid-lowering effects. Several studies suggest that garlic can moderately lower blood levels of total cholesterol and low-density lipoprotein, LDL cholesterol, often informally referred to as bad cholesterol, and may raise high-density lipoprotein, HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. Less LDL and more HDL can potentially reduce plaque accumulation in the arteries. 3. Antihypertensive properties. High blood pressure is a significant risk factor for the development of heart disease and atherosclerosis. Garlic has been shown to have blood pressure-lowering effects in some studies, attributed to its bioactive compounds which may stimulate the production of nitric oxide in the blood vessel walls, aiding in the relaxation and dilation. 4. Antiplatelet activity. Platelet aggregation can contribute to the formation of blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks. Some evidence suggests that garlic might help prevent the formation of blood clots by inhibiting platelet aggregation. Finally, the mode of preparation and the form in which garlic is consumed, raw, cooked, aged, or in supplements, significantly influence its bioactivity, which is an important consideration when evaluating its potential health benefits. Here are the 8 best vegetables that help to keep your arteries clean and can lower your risk of heart attacks. Adding these vegetables to your meals is good for your heart, and it helps stop plaque from clogging your arteries. Eating healthy, exercising regularly, and making other good choices for your lifestyle can really help you avoid heart disease and stay healthy. If this information is useful for you, make sure to talk to your doctor before you make any big changes to what you eat or how you live, especially if you already have health problems. If you like our video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on keeping your heart healthy. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll know when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a healthy and happy day.